This video will help you how to assemble your e-bike MX04. You will find a charger and an accessory box inside the packaging. Here are some of the components. Carefully take out the bike from the box. Remove all packaging materials. Please keep the carton and packaging materials for a period of time to prevent you need to use it when you return. First step is installing the handlebar. Take the screws off. Take the handlebar and place the bike stem on the bike headset. Then tighten the screw. Remove the screw of the quick release shaft. Now we can install the front wheel. Install the screw, but don't lock it. Remove the front fork plastic protection base. Embed the front fork into the gap between the axis of the quick release. The brake disc needs to be consistent with the clip. Tighten the screws after adjusting the tile to the center of the front fork. Now start installing the headlights and mudboards. Please note that the front light and the mudboard are fixed with the same bolt. You should first install the mudboard to install the front light, and finally fix the screw. Now start adjusting the handlebar and instrument. Lock screw. Adjust the saddle position. When installing the pedal, make sure they match them with the correct side. Fix the pedal according to the direction indicated on the crank rocker. The battery key is fixed at this position. Here is the keyhole of the battery. You can remove the battery according to the following 2 steps. Press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to start e-bike. Press and hold the up button to activate or deactivate the headlights. Electric mode can be easily activated by pushing the throttle. You can charge your e-bike directly on your bike. The recommended charging time for new bikes is 6 to 7 hours in order to fully activate the battery life. The charger light is red for charging and turns green when charging is complete. That's all. Thank you.